Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, then check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as we all know that there is not much movement, not much volatility, craziness on the chart of GBP USD for the last couple of days. So I was mostly suggesting not you, everyone to avoid GBP USD. But as you can see that today I have got many levels for the next week, coming week. So let's try to understand these levels and the trading opportunities one by one. So the last traded price of GBP USD 1.3112. This is the last traded price. So if market goes up after the market opening, then for day traders, okay, there is a resistance around 1.3150, 1.3180. This is a resistance zone. Not only because we had price rejection from above, yes, price rejection is very important, we know. Not only we have price rejection from above, but this is also the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors, then for day trading purpose, we can expect selling pressure around this level. And if you see market reversing from this level, price rejection from above, you can take a sell position around this level. But in case there is a buying comes to the chart of GBP USD, if you see market getting bullish, then the next resistance zone for you will be 1.3240, 1.3250. This level will be your next selling zone. Why? Because this is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, plus you can also see that we have the 200 moving average coming down. So if we combine both the factors here, then we can expect that around this particular level market will face selling pressure. Again, I'll say that confirmation is important, because confirmation is the insurance of traders. So if you see prices being rejected from above, market is unable to cross the highs, market is reversing, then you can take a sell position around this level, because that will be the confirmation that sellers are present and you can go for a sell. So these two are the trading opportunities for you if market goes up and reverses from the resistance. Because if you look at the overall structure of GBP USD, then you can see clearly that overall the market is very much towards the downside. Though right now market is trying to recover, but we do not have much clarity on the direction of the market, and most importantly, we do not see the buying power, the bullishness in the market. So the buying power, the buying steam is missing right now. So as a result, we will still be, it is better to consider this market as a downtrend market only, and it is best for us to look for selling opportunity if market goes up and hits the resistance. See, this is my analysis, this is my opinion. I can be wrong as well. So if you think that I have missed anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. Because see, though I have been trading for around 8 to 9 years, but still, as we all know, that trading is a lifelong journey. Okay, so I still consider myself as a learner. So if I have missed anything, please write down. I would love to learn. Okay, so if market goes up, we can expect selling pressure around these levels and we can take a sell position. Okay, but on the other hand, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down or goes down after the market opening, we can expect some buying around 1.3250, 1.3260. We can expect some sort of buying around this level. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market and see. If you see that prices trying to bounce from here, if you see hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or any good price rejection from below in this level, you get the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in this level and you can go for buy as well. And in case market fails to take support around this level, and if you see market going down or breaking the support, then the strongest support on the chart of GBP USD is 1.3000. This is the strongest support. You can definitely hope or expect market to take support and bounce from here. If market bounces from this support zone, definitely you can go for buy, but just make sure that you do not go for blindly. Okay, observe the market first, and most importantly you should not you should also know the body language of DXY as well, because this is forex market. We know that dollar plays a huge role, so knowing the body language of dollar, understanding important levels of dollar plays a critical role, not load. So in short, dollar is bullish right now in sideways. So though we have 99.4050 as a very strong resistance zone, okay, just keep in mind that we have multiple layers of support as well. 98.00, then 97.75, okay, and ultimately 97.40. So we have multiple layers of support. As long as dollar DXY is trading above 97 level, you can expect dollar to remain bullish. Okay, so these are the levels. Be careful, follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, as you all know that I'm on a mission. I have recently started world's most affordable forex trading workshop for the next couple of weeks. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, then you can sign up, or you can check out the link is in the description. And if you are simply looking for signals, then you can look at the Pro Trader Lite program, where I'm providing signals, world's cheapest signals for $2 per month only. Okay. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.